Hi, welcome to cognitiverecruit.com. Exclusive online job portal for the pharmaceutical CRO CRAMS. Internal database consists of 13.29 lakhs technical BD sales SEM professionals, recruiters associated with pharma CRO CRAMS companies to achieve their career and hiring needs. Post classified walk-ins and jobs for free. Registered companies with cognitiverecruit.com are 38, and some of the registered companies are Aura, Atulita, Medipol, Scottedil, Macro, Anvita, Orton, Sripati, etc. Cognitiverecruit.com has got three service offerings. The first one is classified ad. Register and post free. System instantly showcases brief profiles of matching candidates and send emails to candidates of your interest for free. Receive notifications about candidates responded against your classified ad. View responded candidates profile, download and engage free of cost. The second service offering is walk-in ads. Register and post free. System instantly showcases brief profiles of matching candidates and send emails to candidates of your interest. All free. Candidates who couldn't attend the interview and have applied receive notifications about them. View responded candidates profiles, download and engage free of cost. The third most important service offering from cognitiverecruit.com is job posting. Register and post detailed job free. System instantly showcases brief profiles of the matching candidates and send emails to candidates of your interest for free. Receive notifications about candidates responded against your job posting. Paid to download detailed profiles with contacts and engage. We have got the walk-in drives displayed on the home page. Some of the companies registered with walk-in drives are Anvita, Orton, Atulita and SKPL. And we have got the job classifieds. Some of the companies registered are Avra Laboratories, etc. And we have got the job postings listed on the home page. Some of the registered companies with the job postings are Sri Krishna Pharmaceutical Limited, Anvita, Orton Labs, etc. And these are our commercial model. We have got number of downloads ranging from 250 downloads to 8000. The price range is between rupees 50 to 100, and depending upon the number of downloads, the number of classifieds and walk-ins for free are 10 to 320, and the price ranges between minimum is 25,000 and the maximum is 4 lakh rupees. Validity period for this commercials are 1 year from the ROP, receipt of the payment. We have got the post resume and current openings in the cognitiverecruit.com homepage header. In the current openings, we have got the classification like job classifieds, walk-ins and the job posting. In the job classifieds, we are showcasing the title of the requirement, title of the position, at the same time the education qualification, location, function. And the second one is the walk-in drive. And in the walk-in drive, we are showcasing the title of the requirement, company name, educational qualification, location, and number of years experience. And in the job posting, we are showcasing the title of the requirement, title of the position, location, number of years experience, company name, education qualifications, last date to apply for the job posting mentioned by the company, and the function, and the age group is mentioned. And the difference between the job classified and the walk-in is job posting is in detail where candidate can go through the job responsibilities of that position. As a company, you need to register with the cognitiverecruit.com. Registration with the cognitiverecruit.com is completely free. There is a small form with the basic information like the name of the person, designation, email, password, location, mobile number, company name and the department. Once you select the submit, you have been registered with the cognitiverecruit.com, and our system cognitiverecruit.com creates your account page, and you will be receiving an email verification, and you need to click on to log in with the cognitiverecruit.com. Once you verify your email ID, you are able to log in with cognitiverecruit.com with your mentioned registered email ID and your mentioned password. Once you log in, our system creates your client dashboard where you can see the job management, classified management, walk-in management. Thanks for your time. Look forward for your cooperation to service you. Thank you.